Good afternoon, dears. How are you all? Hope everything is going fine. Today, we are going to discuss about a new topic, HTML. HTML. Here, HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Here, hyper refers to reference link. Hyper refers to reference link to navigate from page to page. Text here means data. Markup is a predefined statement. Markup is a predefined statement. Next one, language is for communication. This HTML that means it is a client side scripting language, and we can say that it is a markup language. So, client side scripting language is called a language performed to generate a code. It is to generate a code that run on the client end, not in a server end. Here, client refers to browser without a help of server side. Some examples for the scripting languages are JavaScript, VBScript, HTML, CSS, and Ajax. Next point is, this markup language is used for creating website. Websites, web pages. This markup language contains markup tags to design a web pages. To design a web pages. HTML consists of series of elements. You know, children, this series of elements tells the browser how to display the content in the web page. Okay. To write a HTML, or we can use to write a HTML or to create a web page or to modify a web page, we need text editor ma. Text editor to create and modify the web pages. To create and modify the web pages, simple text editor is Notepad and Notepad plus plus, or we can say as a text edit. This Notepad we can use for normal PCs, the as usual PCs which we are using, but text edit is used in Mac. So now we are going to learn how to create a web page with the help of this Notepad. So simple method ma. First step is you have to open Notepad in your PC. Second step, first step is you have to open a Notepad in your PC, and in that step 2 you have to write HTML code. Write HTML code in that Notepad. And the third step is you have to save that page. You have to save the HTML page. While saving, you have to use the file extension .html or .htm. For example, this is my file name .html. Like that, I have to save my file. Next, in step 4, I have to view the HTML page in browser. The browser may be any one now. It may be a Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Netscape, whatever it is. So this is the step for opening a Notepad and for typing a HTML code. So first thing, what we have to do, we have to open a Notepad in our PC. Next thing, we have to write the HTML code in that Notepad. And afterwards, we need to save that particular file with the file extension .html or .htm. For example, this is my file name. This is the extension. And next, the last step, after saving my file, okay, you don't close that particular Notepad ma, you just minimize it. Suppose if you are having any corrections on all these things and all, if you have minimized, then it is easy to correct the particular things. To correct you can do the corrections easily ma. Okay, so last step is, after saving your file in the document or any area, you have to view that particular HTML file in browser. It may be Internet Explorer, Mozilla or Netscape, whatever it is. So children, today we learnt about what is HTML, expansion for HTML, then steps to create the a web pages. This is what today we saw, ma. And one important thing is there, HTML is not a programming language. It is a markup language. Example for programming languages are with Java, C++, Python, all these things. Okay, so it is not a programming language, it is a markup language. Okay, so these are the things today we saw. Hope you like today's class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.